In the pursuit of a meaningful and harmonious life, Buddhism offers profound wisdom and practical guidance. By embracing the teachings of the Buddha, individuals can embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and cultivate habits that lead to personal growth, inner peace, and a deeper connection with the world around them. In this motivational discourse, we will explore 6 essential habits that a man can adopt to enhance his spiritual well-being and pave the path to enlightenment. The first habit a man must cultivate is mindful awareness. Buddhism teaches us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and actions with non-judgmental awareness. By practicing mindfulness, we develop a heightened sense of presence, enabling us to fully engage with each moment. This habit empowers us to break free from the clutches of distractions and live with greater clarity and purpose. Through mindfulness, we gradually dissolve the barriers of ego and expand our capacity for compassion and empathy. By embracing the interconnectedness of all beings, we foster a sense of unity and dissolve the illusion of separateness. Mindful awareness allows us to appreciate the beauty of each passing moment and find joy in the simplest of things. The second habit a man must cultivate is loving kindness. Buddhism teaches us to extend boundless love and compassion to all living beings, including ourselves. By cultivating loving kindness, we dissolve the walls of prejudice and foster an inclusive and supportive environment. Through acts of kindness, we uplift others and create a ripple effect of positivity in the world. This habit reminds us of the interdependence of all life forms and encourages us to act with benevolence and integrity. By practicing loving kindness, we nurture the heart and create a harmonious existence, not only for ourselves, but for the entire world. The third habit a man must cultivate is embracing impermanence. Buddhism teaches us that everything in life is subject to change, and clinging to the transient leads to suffering. By embracing impermanence, we learn to let go of attachments and find liberation from the cycle of desires and aversions. This habit encourages us to appreciate the transient nature of life and cherish each moment as a precious gift. By acknowledging impermanence, we develop resilience and adaptability in the face of life's challenges. Embracing impermanence empowers us to live fully in the present, unburdened by regrets of the past or anxieties about the future. The fourth habit a man must cultivate is practicing contentment. Buddhism teaches us that true happiness lies not in external possessions, but in finding contentment with what we have. By embracing contentment, we free ourselves from the endless pursuit of material wealth and find inner equanimity. This habit encourages us to shift our focus from external achievements to inner qualities and virtues. By appreciating the present moment and cultivating gratitude, we find peace amidst life's ups and downs. Practicing contentment allows us to let go of comparison and envy, fostering a sense of inner fulfillment and joy. The fifth habit a man must cultivate is embodying right livelihood. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of engaging in work that aligns with our values and contributes positively to society. By choosing a livelihood that promotes ethical conduct and supports the well-being of others, we find purpose and meaning in our daily endeavors. Right livelihood encourages us to pursue careers that foster compassion, justice, and environmental sustainability. This habit reminds us that our actions have consequences that extend beyond ourselves and encourages us to act with integrity and mindfulness. By aligning our livelihood with our spiritual values, we find fulfillment and contribute to the collective well-being. The sixth habit a man must cultivate is the cultivation of inner wisdom. Buddhism teaches us to seek knowledge and understanding through meditation, study, and introspection. By nurturing our inner wisdom, we gain insights into the nature of reality and transcend the limitations of the ego. This habit encourages us to explore the profound teachings of the Buddha and other enlightened masters. By cultivating wisdom, we develop discernment, clarity, and the ability to make choices that are aligned with our highest aspirations. Cultivating inner wisdom empowers us to navigate the complexities of life with grace and compassion, ultimately leading us towards the path of enlightenment. In the pursuit of a more meaningful and enlightened life, adopting these 6 transformative habits can bring profound positive changes. Mindful awareness, loving kindness, embracing impermanence, practicing contentment, embodying right livelihood, and cultivating inner wisdom serve as guiding principles on the path to self-discovery and spiritual growth. By integrating these habits into our daily lives, we can cultivate inner peace, compassion, and wisdom, fostering a harmonious existence within ourselves and contributing to the well-being of the world around us. As men embrace these habits, they embark on a journey of self-transformation, becoming beacons of light and agents of positive change in their communities. May the teachings of Buddhism inspire and guide us toward a life of mindful awareness, loving kindness, and enlightened living. May we cultivate these habits with diligence, patience, and unwavering commitment, knowing that the rewards of spiritual growth and inner peace are within our grasp. May we walk the path with courage, compassion, and wisdom, bringing forth a brighter and more harmonious world for ourselves and future generations. Welcome aboard this extraordinary video. I have complete faith that this awe-inspiring video has bestowed upon you remarkable wisdom, igniting a fire of passion and motivation within you. If you're in the mood for spreading goodness, why not share these invaluable insights with your cherished companions? Moreover, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, ensuring that you stay connected and never miss out on the remarkable content that awaits. Until our paths cross again, my marvelous friends, embrace the journey and take utmost care.